everyone, Victoria is here. Welcome to my studio. Many of you asked me to share my tips on mastering the art of generative AI for beginners. I heard you and today is the day. So let's start. Today we will create a happy, beautiful bird on a summer morning. It's a summertime, so why not? First thing first, we need to go to Firefly website. Follow this link, firefly.adobe.com. And we will start today with text to image. Click on generate and voila. In a prompt text area, I will type summer morning beautiful bird. I can start with a very detailed and complicated prompt, but because this video is for our beginners, the prompt will be light and clear. So nothing too complicated, right? After I typed my prompt, I will click on generate. Firefly will analyze and will generate a first set of images based on my prompt. By default, Firefly generate images in square aspect ratio and content type art. We will change it because I would like to generate my images in landscape aspect ratio. You can change aspect ratio to any of those available for us. I will change to landscape just like that, and look at this, like in front of your eyes, Firefly regenerating my prompt based on aspect ratio I just specified, just like that. Also, I would like to create generative photo, not art. So I will click on photo in content type. And if you will look at a prompt text area, you will see that Firefly exchange art to photo and right away regenerating my prompt based on content type I just specified. And now we have this beautiful bird for birds. To preview any of generated image in full size, click on the image and just like that you can see it in full size. If you like a result, if you love this image, you can save it to your favorite or you can download it to your drive. Also, you can let Firefly team know, example, if you like this image, you can rate this result like, yeah, I love it. So I will rate it like, yes, I love it. If you don't like it, click on I don't like it icon. If you have something to report, also report it to Firefly team. Just like that. Now, again, if you like the result, if you like any of those birds, you can say, okay, I'm done. You're done. But we can make our prompt a little bit more complicated and we can change. Example, in particular in this image, I would like to change composition to macro photography because I love macro photography. And if you will look at prompt text area, you will see that Firefly did add macro photography to my prompt. But you cannot preview any changes. Why? Because I didn't click on generate. When you will add anything to your prompt or when you will remove anything from your prompt, you will see no changes until you will click on generate. So let me click on generate and Firefly will regenerate my prompt based on new additions to it, just like that. Look at this. This is beautiful macro photography. I'm extremely happy with this result. But I would like to make my prompt a little bit more complicated. To do so, I will add green leaves and I will add a very detailed. So we did add four words to our prompt. Green leaves and very detailed. And now time to click on generate. Again, one more time, Firefly will analyze my prompt, new additions to my prompt, and will generate it. Look at this. Oh my God, guys, look at these bird feathers. Look at all this greenery around it. Extremely beautiful. But we can make it more beautiful, more we can add more wow factor to our generated image. How? Look at my prompt. We have summer morning, beautiful bird, green leaves, very detailed. But because it's morning, we can add morning due to our prompt. We will click on generate, and just like that, voila, we are creating magic. Look at this. Oh my God. Doesn't matter how many times I'm generating images using Firefly, it's always wow. Look at this. It's extremely beautiful. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I love it. So what I will do, I will click to download, and I will download this image to my drive. And also I will let Firefly team know that I love it. Tell us more. Yes, prompt accurately. So I will check everything what I love about this image, and I will submit feedback to Firefly team. So guys, as you can see, we don't have to make our workflow complicated with Adobe Firefly. We always can start with very simple prompt, very light, very basic prompt like we started with, summer morning, beautiful bird. And if we will need, we always can make it less or more complicated later on. So guys, just enjoy your creation. Don't overthink. Let Firefly do the job. What you will need to do, just enjoy your creation and bring your imagination to life. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you will create a beautiful bird after this tutorial. By the way, feel free to use my prompt. Just copy it, paste to your Firefly prompt text area, and generate a beautiful bird in a summer morning. After that, share your creation on Twitter or Instagram and tag me in your creations. I cannot wait to see what you will create. Thank you guys. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for your time, and I will see you later. Bye.